Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a review of Shad 42 liters top box. This is not a suitcase, this is actually a top box that I have mounted on my Classic 350, and I'm going to give you all the information in this. So this is the mounting plate that you get along with the box, which fits on the rack. You need a separate rack for it after the studs rack. This is where it gets locked. Very simple assembly, you can do it, but it's better if a mechanic does it. All these clamps and nuts and bolts you will get along with your box. So this is the top box that we have taken on around 2000 kilometers various rides. Pretty sturdy, extremely good quality, and the best part is it is easy to remove with just one click of a button and easy to fix with one click of a button. So once you've removed, I'll show you, it can be used as a suitcase like this. So if you see, you can just pick it up and take your luggage wherever you want. The best part of the box is these are the fitments. So this is where the lock is. I'll show you the assembly on the bike in just a few minutes, and this is where it gets locked on the rack which comes with this. I'll tell you the exact cost of this box. It takes around 7 kgs, approximately 7 kgs. Very easy to remove. So if you see, just do this, and this is a 42 liters box. Very easy, nice, sturdy. 2 half face helmets, gloves and other things that we easily carry. It carries 7 kgs, so you can use your clothes, you can put whatever items that are required for your journey. We've done very serious off-roading by while this box was fixed. It's very simple. So you just take it back and it fixes. So 42 liters is something, I think, enough of space for a 350cc bike. There's no problem faced at all. Don't overload it, because there are chances that the kind of weight what the company is given. Shad is a Spanish company, and they have given very strict recommendations. So I think we need to follow it. We are very happy. This branding, it glows as night, so it is a radium finish branding. So if you use it at night, it glows, so looks pretty nice. I'll show you some photographs on how we have used it on our bike. So overall, the cost of this box was somewhere around 7,000 rupees. Okay, and around 100 rupees for installation. My recommendation to you, you can easily install it, but it's better to get it done from a mechanic, because the way they will fit it, it will be perfect, because they know their job better. And when you go for long rides and especially the off-roading, if you do, your box should not become loose, or you should not face any problem in your journey. So that's about it. This is the box. I hope you like. 42 liters, brilliant, worth the money. It's a Spanish company, it's an imported box, so the kind of quality and finish, it's waterproof, it's brilliant. I am enjoying it. Now I will plan to put the side cases either of GV or Shad, maybe around 46 liters more on for my touring purpose. Once I buy it and I install it, then I'll do a review of it, right? So I hope you've liked our video. If you think this information was important and our effort was helpful to you, you know what needs to be done. Like, share and subscribe. And the Fast Ferry Traveler, I'm signing off.